All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them?
Hello, it's your girl D Lovely. I am back with another video. Today's video is all about cleaning up this dirty kitchen. For my returning subbies, thank you for taking the time out your day to watch this. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So I've heard that a clean and tidy house is one of the top secrets of creating a happy home. Well, honey, today this house, this kitchen, this dining room is not too happy because I neglected it last night. After cooking dinner, I was feeling lazy. I just wanted to have my glass of wine and watch a good old movie on TV, and I neglected this kitchen and said I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to clean it up. So on this particular day, I started out in the dining room by dusting the ceilings and the walls. I wanted to be free of any spider webs that may be hanging around and just any dust that's been collected over a time period. Okay, a not so fun fact about myself is when I was a young girl, I got bit by a spider. I woke up and my lip was so swollen. My mom had to rush me to the emergency room. Man, I could barely close my mouth.
All the choices you made, did you make them again?
This duster has become my new best friend around the house. The fact that I don't have to stand up on stools to get up in the high areas in these ceilings amazes me.
All the choices you made, did you make them
So I realized the other day I was about to eat and I noticed how much dust was on my dining table. So I was like, okay, we need to clean that too. And guys, I just want to throw this out there that I watch some of my favorite YouTubers clean their houses, and it's really motivating. It inspires me to want to get up, clean up, and just have my house looking spotless.
Did you make them again?
Now, when it comes to cleaning my window sills, I like using the cleaning vinegar all-purpose cleaner. It does a really good job with removing stains and deodorizing your house. You can use this in your kitchen, your bathrooms, doing laundry, on equipment. It's really a good all-purpose cleaner. Now, I did vacuum this floor along with my other floors in the house, but it was on another day. So on this day, I had a lot of energy, so I decided to go ahead and do a deep clean in my kitchen. I decided to get rid of this old plant where I was going to get rid of the old plant that I thought had died, but it didn't. I brought it back to life, and I just decided to really give everything a good wipe down and get rid of stuff that I no longer needed. voila, the kitchen is all clean. I have started my dinner for tonight. I can eat and rest and don't have to worry about waking up to a dirty house in the morning because I'm only using one dish to cook. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and be safe. Mwah.